Hey y'all, welcome back to Praise Shop Cruise. My name is Itiri. I wanted to record one more video this particular night. And so the sunlight is gone. And we have this glow of my Cricut light that we're going to be working with. I have on my faux diamonds today, so you know we're going to be discussing some diamond painting items. I wanted to get on here really quickly and show you my first Forever Young haul. Now, the first thing I purchased by Forever Young was this 8,000 plus diamond painting label stickers, which I really love. I purchased this off of Amazon, and my recommendation is to purchase Forever Young off of Amazon if you're able to. Now, the items that I purchased directly from the Forever Young website, that's not including this sticker book, took like over a week to come, and the tracking was not good. Like, they didn't even email me when it was sent out. I most likely will not order directly from their site again. I had to email them and ask for tracking a couple of times. But it does deliver. It is fine. But if you order from their store on Amazon, it just goes a lot smoother. You get it really quickly. I guess the stuff is already in the States. That's on Amazon, but not everything they have is on Amazon. That's the problem. But I would say try to just order from Forever Young directly from Amazon. Don't really order from them unless it's just something you really want, because looking back, I wouldn't have ordered directly from their site. So I'm getting into the mini gems stuff. You guys know I like small diamond paintings. I've just started this journey. This is something that I've just started, and it's been really great for my mental health. This kit is actually on Amazon. I don't know if it was sold out when I originally looked at it, but at the time that I'm recording this, it's back in stock. But by the time this video posts, it may not be back in stock because this goes out of stock a lot. This is the Freestyle kit. So whenever I diamond paint lately, I have a lot of extra drills. And so Forever Young created a diamond painting kit that you could use for your extra drills. And they give you these small canvases that you can just freestyle and use whatever colors you want. They give you a key of what symbols are used for each freestyle painting number. Like for freestyle card number R01, this is R12. I think I got them out of order because I was looking at them earlier. But you have the freestyle card number here, and then it tells you the symbols that are used on the card number, and then you can create your own key with your drill colors. So yeah, this is 12. So we're gonna go backwards because I took these out of the box because I wanted to look at them. But these are just canvases that you can just freestyle and use up your extra drills. Forever Young does have a storage container that's exactly this size, like a storage journal, that I'm definitely going to get because I have a lot of mini gems that I'm going to be doing. These are just the freestyle ones. This kit doesn't come with gems or anything because you're going to use the gems that you have left over. So this is Freestyle '01, and on Freestyle '01 you have these symbols, right? So then I could create my own key, which would probably be one of the most fun parts for me, choosing the drills and the symbols, and I could make my own key on a separate sheet of paper. And that part of the process can be very relaxing as well. So you get a lot of cards. I don't remember how many is in this pack, but this freestyle pack sells out a lot. I love these balloon looking ones. And then you can customize it even more. You can kind of put your drills in a certain arrangement, where you could like make a face or something like how they did. You can create your own patterns. I won't do that because I'm not an artist, so I'll just follow along these lines or whatever. But I'm building up a nice amount of extra drills, and this is going to be great when I feel like kind of veering off the beaten path. It also comes with a stand, this acrylic stand. I don't know how this stands up. Is it like this? What? Y'all know, help me Jesus. Maybe they link together like this, and then I don't know. It's an acrylic stand to stand these up, but I won't be doing that. I want to just create these and then store them and have a journal where I can flip through them. I can also just put these in my creative journal, glue the backs. This is a hard cardstock. Sorry, oh, this is a postcard. I meant to show the back. These are postcards if you haven't seen them already. And so you can actually give these away, but You could also glue these in a creative journal like I'm going to do for some other ones. But since Forever Young makes a journal where the mini gems go in, I'm probably going to put these all in that mini gem journal once I order it. And I do plan to order that soon. So we've got the sticker book, which was ordered from Amazon. Then we got the Freestyle kit. And then let's see, we'll go through this one. Woo! Then we got this one. So I don't know why the back doesn't show you what it is. I don't know why I got in my mind that this seemed like less than what it was, but this is a lot. It's multiple canvases. That's why it's so many drills. But when I first opened the box, I didn't remember what this was, and I was like, what did I do? What did I just do? These are square drills, by the way. So I haven't even done my first diamond painting at the time I'm recording this with square drills. So I don't even know how much that's going to take a toll on me just yet. It comes with all those drills, and it comes with these little baggies. And then it comes with your stylus, blue wax, and the wider boat that I like. And then the stylist grip. This comes with baggies. And then it comes with these 2 sets of canvases. And then you get a, woo, not my diamonds falling. Hold on, y'all. My diamonds is falling. Okay, I switched fingers. I can't have that. Can't have that now. Can't have that. That's one of my favorite parts of doing these is the fake diamonds. Now, it comes with these 2 sets of canvases and then this sand again. But all the canvases, this is the, I forgot what they call it on the site. But you have like it's the oceans one, I think. You have like the travel one with the car, the bike, whatever car that is, like all the cars with the balloons. I think it's called balloons. It's called balloons. And then you have the like Mediterranean tropical canvases. And then this is your key for each canvas. I love how they give you the stickers. So when I kit this up, you could use the bags to put the stickers on the bags and then put the appropriate drill colors in these bags. I'm most likely not going to use these bags. I'm most likely going to use one of my kits. This has 65 colors, so I will have to use. I actually may get that Forever Young. I need to get that Forever Young storage kit on Amazon. I haven't bought that yet either, but that's definitely on my list. They have a 45 one. I think they have a, is it a 61, 65 one? But you know, if you're familiar with their storage system, once I buy it, I'll show it. But it's very popular. But these are the canvases. And these are postcards too. I love how they do this. That's Seaside Steady. Coastal Corner. And, you know, I love the size of these. I'm not trying to really stress out on any big diamond paintings right now. This is C's Mark. Sunlit Sipping. These are all so me. This is where I desire to be. Coastal Moments. A Seaside Nap. And we're back at the beginning. So I've been sticking with, you know, the small stuff, just taking my time. And a lot of diamond painters call these like special projects. No, this ain't no special project. This is the diamond painting for me. Okay, this might be as big as it gets. Now I got some bigger ones. I do have some bigger ones, but this is me diamond painting right now. Like I'm not ready to go bigger, and it already takes me a long time to do these. Then we got Drift Holiday. Then we got Bloomed Journey. I love these. I just love these. Overflow Romance. Love these names. Come on. Forever Young. Love the spike. Message of Spring. Festive Loop. Floral Coastline. Beautiful. And then Drift Holiday again. So these would also fit in that mini journal, the mini gem journal that is also sold on Amazon. Again, you can order directly from the Forever Young website, but I would order from Amazon if you can find it on Amazon. So that's this kit. I can't wait to actually kit this up because I'm probably going to order one of the Forever Young Forever Young kitting systems because I like how theirs look with the drawers and the trays. And then I will make a video diamond painting, kitting this up, and getting started on these. I love this kit. It's also would also be great to travel with. I can't remember the prices of all these. I may have caught some type of a sale. But when you get more than one in a kit, you know, just expect to pay like 30 bucks if it's more than one together. I did purchase a diamond painting ruler. Can't wait to test this out. And this is also going to help me straighten the drills. I like the size of this. So I will be using that. And then something else, I'm actually going to keep this out. And then I did buy the, what do they call it? The mesh rulers. I'm really excited to lay these down when I'm doing my square drill diamond paintings. I think the first square drill diamond painting I may actually do is my capybara one, which is big for me. It's a medium size, but it's big for me. And I might do that one from Michael's first because I love Cappy. So that's going to probably push me to do that one. But when I do that one, I want to use this. And there's a lot of color blocking in that Cappy one, which will make it hopefully easier for me. And then I got this. These are acrylic pieces. They're keychains. And you get all three of these flowers and you get the keychains. You guys know I'm building a diamond painting keychain. I've shown it in a couple of videos. It is growing. This is why I love doing the smaller ones. Now, these already come pre-kitted. So you have the bags already on here for you. They're already bagged. And then these keychains are the ice cream keychains. So these ice cream keychains are going to go on my diamond painting keychain collection that I'm creating. And I'll show a peek of it again when I add to it again. I don't have it here beside me. But this was my first like official Forever Young haul. I definitely love their items. I just would say just order off of Amazon if you can to make sure you get it quickly and you get appropriate tracking. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you've ordered any kits from them. Let me know if you're into these mini kits or special projects, as a lot of people like to call them. But this is mainly the types of projects that I've been doing because I'm a beginner, and I've truly been enjoying it. And I love that all the kits I've been buying come with everything you need. You don't need any extra tools or anything. I do have extra tools just because I'm a shopper and I love looking at, you know, things I can buy to enhance my experience, like these rulers. I have a lot of different accessories. You don't need any of the accessories, but I'm a shopper. This is what I do. I like exploring the craft. I like buying all the accessories and cute things that go with it. I like buying things that I may not need right away. I like stashing up. This is what I do. If you do not like that or enjoy that, then this is not the channel for you because I shop. That's what I do. So I love these kits. Let me know if you plan to order from them. They do have a shop on Amazon. So go ahead and check it out. And I will try to add these items to my Amazon storefront if I can, just in case you peek over there to take a look. I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. This is a great craft to start if you're looking for something to ease your mind and relax your mental health. So if you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and put some flowers in the comments. I appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you for joining me on my diamond painting journey. I'm going to have some paint with me's coming up really soon. And yeah, we're just going to see how far I can go with this. This has become my favorite thing over the creative journaling. I know I said this is going to be my year of creative journaling, but it's becoming my year of diamond painting. So it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm sorry. Not sorry. I'll see you guys later. Bye.